Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of home decor with a product that promises to add charm and functionality to your living space. This, my friends, is the best Naptime Kitchen accessory you can get your hands on. Hey everyone, it's your name here from Product Critique. And today we're talking about the Shhh, it's Naptime baby door sign. Perfect for those moments when you need uninterrupted rest or simply want to add a touch of style to your kitchen or dining room. Let's dive into what makes this door sign from Mighun so special. Crafted from high-quality wood, it boasts a durable construction that ensures it won't chip, peel, or fade over time. Measuring a compact 4 inches by 6 inches, or for those who want something larger, it's also available in an 8 by 10 inch size. The design is simple yet elegant, making it a versatile addition to any room. Now, let's talk material and design. This sign is made to last, with the wood pattern permanently printed. That means no worrying about it losing its charm after a few months. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Plus, it comes with a convenient hanging rope, so installation is a breeze. Whether you're hanging it on your door, wall, or even in a cozy corner, it effortlessly blends into any decor. Who would benefit most from this product? Well, imagine this. You're hosting a dinner party, and you've spent hours preparing a delicious meal. The last thing you want is interruptions when it's time to serve. This sign serves as a gentle reminder to your guests: shh, it's nap time. Beyond that, it's a thoughtful addition to nurseries, offices, or anywhere you want to maintain a quiet atmosphere. Now, let's talk maintenance. To keep this sign looking its best, avoid washing it with water. Instead, a quick wipe down with a dry cloth will do the trick. Simple, right? And remember, Mighun promises careful packaging to ensure your sign arrives in pristine condition. But if, by any chance, there's an issue during transport, they've got you covered with their customer service. As we wrap up today's review, it's clear why the Shhh, it's Naptime baby door sign is a standout choice for anyone looking to add a touch of charm and functionality to their living space. Its durable build, stylish design, and ease of installation make it a winner in my book. Thanks for joining me today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy decorating! Follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. See you next time.